DeWALT Tripod Work Light. It's really simple to use, and I'm gonna do a battery test. Telescopic head goes really tall, and lock it. Okay, there are two sections. It almost hit my ceiling. And the power switch is right there. Let me turn off the light so I can show this light a little bit better. Let me turn it off. It's completely off. One press that goes to full brightness. Second press goes to the medium brightness, and the lowest brightness from the manufacturer says 11 hours on this 6 amp battery. This is with the power off. And the head is tilting too. Really bright. I don't want to look into this lens. Lock it. And to collapse it, simply push down while holding down the trigger. There's a huge heatsink here, the round heatsink. Or you can use it as a gigantic flashlight. It's pretty well balanced. I have the massive 6 amp battery installed. This is the included 6 amp battery from DeWALT. To use it as a massive flashlight, or like this. There's one drawback in this design. You cannot check the battery status because the LED is on this side. Right? We have to reverse it and plug it in. If you want to collapse it, make sure you grab this handle first to prevent it from dropping and hit the ground. Mounting hole on each leg, so you can potentially bolt it down to the ground.